Uh-oh. Ugh.
Hey, I hear something. Hey, I hear something.
A clue. A clue? Where is it?
Yeah, what's that sound?
Steve!
Perry, cool.
It's a clue. Where?
Oh, is it the phone again?
No, it's a clue. There's a clue. On
That quacking sound. There's a clue
On that quacking sound.
on that
Quacking.
sound.
a clue?
So, I guess our clue is the quacking sound.
Well, you know what we need? Our handy dandy.
You need
To draw this quacking sound clue in
the handy dandy notebook.
Notebook. Great.
Thanks a lot.
Huh. What animals make that quacking sound?
ducks.
Ducks?
Okay. Let's draw some curved lines like this to help us remember the sound.
There.
A quacking sound.
Quacking keyboards! Those ducks are in our way!
Hey, it's our third
Quacking sound.
clue.
There. Our third clue to what Joe is going to show at Show and Tell.
We have all three clues.
We have all three clues.
We need a special siren sound to make all these ducks move out of the way. All three clues?
You know what that means? We're ready to sit in our...
We're ready to sit in the thinking chair. Thinking chair.
thinking chair. Let's go.
Let's go.